Hi everyone, my name is Natalie Leach. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. Now, a few weeks ago, I shared with you that I just recently had my third baby boy. He joined our family on September the 14th, and so I'm about 5 weeks postpartum. Now, that means I haven't yet started filming my postnatal workouts, but I will be doing that soon. There's a kickboxing workout that I cannot wait to share with you in the coming weeks. In saying that, 2 weeks ago, I did start to move my body in a postnatal safe way, and I wanted to share with you what I've been doing. So here we go. One thing that I've been really working on is re-engaging my pelvic floor muscles and through my core. Now, a really good way to do this is by utilizing what I like to call a super mom, extending both the opposite arm and leg at the same time, drawing in and up through your pelvic floor to engage those muscles. Move at your own speed as you do this. It's not about speed, it's really just about thinking through the muscles that you're utilizing. Another way that I've been working on engaging my core muscles and building back that strength after having a baby is by modifying my planks. You can see here that I'm popping up one leg at a time. This is how I've started. And this progression here is getting into a full plank position. Again, popping up one leg at a time, drawing your core muscles in and up. And then the third level to this progression is popping both legs up. Make sure you're maintaining a nice flat back. And again, it's not about speed. The other thing I've been really focused on is working through my upper body muscles. So bicep curls are a great way to do this. Make sure that you're keeping your elbows tight to your body and bringing the weights right up towards your shoulders. Another muscle group that is great for new moms to focus on is your shoulders. As you're holding your new baby, you want to make sure you do have strong shoulders. So you can see here that I'm doing side raises. I do about 10 to 15 reps for 3 different sets. Another terrific shoulder exercise is overhead presses. Now, the one thing to be mindful here is that you're engaging your core muscles, again, drawing up and in through your tummy. The other thing is, if you ever feel pressure in your lower back, stagger your stance. This helps to support your core even further. The other muscle group I've been working on is the back of my arms through my tricep muscles. Tricep kickbacks are a terrific exercise to do so. What I would suggest is doing about 10 to 15 reps. 3 different sets will do the trick. Thanks again for joining me for this quick video on what I have been doing to move my body in the first few weeks following having had a baby. Again, please don't forget to click subscribe, turn on those notifications, leave me a comment, and let me know what other content you'd like to see from the workout videos that I'll be posting. And remember, I will be putting a postnatal kickboxing workout on this channel in the coming weeks. Thanks again for joining me. Take care.